What you doing? Are you imitating Grandma? You're so silly.
He's got a Lucas laugh.
Yeah, he does.
He was, when I did when I was putting good, he said something funny, he started laughing a little bit, and the way he laughed was so cute that I started laughing. Well, I started laughing, he started laughing harder, and I couldn't stop laughing. It was
Oh, that's
hilarious.
funny. Are you all done making funny noises? You're like a little piggy. Alright, all done taping.